Here we will write a Python program to print sum of first n numbers using non-parameterized constructor. So first we'll open the IDE, then we'll add new file, and in comment line we'll write program description. First we'll define class and we'll define constructor. So def, init and self, since we are using non-parameterized constructor. And here we'll assign value of n as 5. Then we'll write method print sum with self. Here we'll define two variables, I which is initialized with 1 and total which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop. So while I less than or equal to self.n, we will calculate total as total equal to total plus I, and we will increment I. So I equal to I plus 1. And after completing while loop, we will print the total as print sum of first n natural numbers as total. Then we'll create object of our class as a equal to addition, and we'll call the method as a dot print sum. Then we'll save it as sum of number 1, and then we'll execute it. It will print sum of first n natural numbers as 15.